Organizing looks so easy, but it also feels so hard. It looks easy because Real Simple magazine makes it look beautiful, and I love their photos. Other types of organizers will show these beautiful tidied spaces with all these color coordinated bins and these lovely labels purchased by some amazing artist on Etsy. We have these TV shows, the Tidying Up with KonMari, and they make it look easy. And so then when we get started, we really jump ahead and think, okay, let me get the containers, let me get the labels, let me get the stuff, the storage containery stuff that I need to get organized. But what we're trying to do is organize our way out of the mess. And we don't want to go through that first step of saying, okay, what am I keeping and why? Why do I have this? Where did it come from? Is it a gift? Is this something that I need to have a conversation about with my mom? Are my kids getting too many gifts from grandparents during Christmas and their birthdays? Is this a bit of an awkward conversation that I need to have with them, but one that's needed and necessary? Because we acquire things in three ways. We buy them, we spend money, we give them as a gift, whether it be for a birthday or a holiday, or it's just a shift of things. I don't want this, but I don't want to get rid of it, so I'm going to give it to you. Or we find it, as in we find it for free on the side of the road, for example. So part of organizing is looking at how did this thing come in? Where did it come from? Who did it come from? Why do I feel that I need to keep it? Why am I keeping it? Do I use it? Do I want it? Do I need it? And if yes to those questions, then where am I going to keep it in my house so I can find it easily, put it back with ease, and know that if it's not there, then I'm out and I need to get something else to replace it. I mean, that is all the point of organizing. Organizing is all about the structure of your home to basically support you and your family. I mean, in an efficient way, that is the crux of organizing. But what we do is we jump ahead to the fun and the pretty part. Oh, I want it to look so great. And then we come home and we just stuff a bunch of crap that we don't want in containers, and then we think that we're organized. Fast forward 3 or 4 years and the garage is full, the containers are overflowing, they're too big, they're the wrong size, they're not the same size, they're not the same color. I mean, I could go on and on. But when you are ready to organize, realize that the first step is not to run to the store to buy organizing bins and drawer organizers. The first step is to sort and purge all of that stuff that you're not using and that you don't need.